You might know that the derivative of x squared is 2x, but why is this and what does it really mean? To get an idea of what it is we are really trying to find, we start out by plotting the graph for x squared. What the derivative really means is the tangent line in an exact point. In this example, we call this point x0. To find an approximation of this line, we find the secant line between x0 and x0 plus delta x. Delta x is here a variable we can change. By making delta x smaller, we get closer and closer to the exact tangent in x0. To find the slope of the approximated tangent, we calculate it as the slope of a secant. This is done with the two-point formula that says that the slope is equal to the difference between the two y values over the difference between the two x values. By letting delta x go towards 0, we get the exact slope of the tangent. But since we can't divide by 0, we need to rewrite the expression so there is no delta x in the denominator. The first thing we do is inserting the values into the function. We now expand the square. This expression might seem more complicated, but since there is both a positive and a negative x squared, they go out with each other. The numerator now has a delta x in each term, and we can hereby simplify. We are now at a point where we use the fact that delta x goes towards 0, and we thereby can insert 0 instead of delta x. And here we have it. The derivative of x squared is 2x.